In this chapter, I'll address the steps we need to take to ensure that our logo is reproduced and used as we intended. To be sure that our logo is used consistently, we should write usage guidelines, essentially a user manual for the logo. For more on this, check out my Developing a Style Guide course here in the lynda.com online training library. I don't want to repeat that information except to say that your usage guidelines should include the following: the minimum size of the logo, the color breakdown of the logo, explicit examples of incorrect usage, a list of the files that you're providing, and what I want to show here, the clear space that is part of the logo design. Because others will be using the logo, to ensure there's always adequate space around it, we should be explicit about exactly how much space. As is common, I'm going to express the clear space as a relative amount based upon an element in the design. I'll start by drawing a white rectangle around the logo. I want this to go behind, so I'm going to choose my Draw Behind option, make my fill white, and then draw myself a rectangle, the edges of which touch the edges of the artwork. Now I'm going to choose an element from the design itself, and I'll use this petal. I'm going to switch to my outline mode so that I can see the bounds of that rectangle. I'll copy this, Option or Alt as I drag away from it, press R to access my rotate tool, rotate that element, and then position it using my direct selection tool on the edge of that rectangle. I'll now duplicate it. Now I can select the rectangle and adjust its size to incorporate those elements. I'll switch back to preview, select those elements and delete them. Now select all of my artwork, including the white rectangle. From the Object menu, I will choose Artboards, Fit to Selected Art. I can come, for example, to InDesign and place my artwork. And we see that when I do so, that designed white space around the artwork is incorporated into the logo.